What if I told you that you could create unlimited eye-catching AI-generated videos completely free? Today I will show you how I created these AI animated videos with text-to-video, image-to-video, with completely free AI video generator. And also how I created this AI avatar with this amazing free AI tool. This ultimate AI tool is changing the game for creators and marketers, whether you are building your brand or just want to explore the magic of AI. This step-by-step guide will have you producing stunning videos in minutes. So let's get started without further delay.
Before going further, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon.
Step 1. Creating account. The AI tool I am talking about is Dreamina AI. Click on the link in the description below and you will come to this page. Here you will click on the Sign In button. Again click on Sign In. To sign up, using your Google, TikTok, Facebook or any email account. You can also use temp mail to sign up. Step 2. Image to video. After sign in, you will come to this page. Here, we have 3 options: image generator, video generator, AI avatar generator. As you can see, the image generator option is working, while the video generator and AI avatar generator are in beta and are not working yet. But since the topic of our video is AI video generator, so I will tell you how you can use these options. To use these options, we need to use a VPN, for which you can install any VPN extension in your Chrome browser. By the way, I am using this VPN extension in my Chrome browser. After turning on the VPN, refresh the page and now the video generator and AI avatar generator are fully working. As you can see, we can now generate it, and it's 100% free. Just click Generate, and this interface will be in front of you. Here in the left panel, first we will generate image to video, for which we will upload our image here, which we want to animate. Next, we will enter our prompt in the prompt box. We will leave all the remaining settings, that is model, duration and aspect ratio, as they are and click on the Generate button and this will start the generation process. Since this is a completely free tool and there are a lot of people using this tool, sometimes it may take a while, but normally the image to video process is completed soon, and after waiting for just 5 minutes, here is the result. The result is in front of you, which is definitely great. I couldn't have expected with completely free AI tool to produce such HD quality result. Step 3. Text to video. Now we test the text to video option of this AI tool. Click on Text Prompt. Here in the prompt box, we will write the prompt we want to create the image. Next, from here we will select the aspect ratio for our image. I will choose 16:9. Now, click on Generate button to generate the image. And within a minute the image has been generated. Just look at her, her walk is absolutely perfect, her hair blowing in the wind and the people walking around in the background are all absolutely perfect. Now let's try one more text-to-video generation, and this time we enter this prompt, and see what kind of result this time provide this AI tool. Click on Generate button. And this is the output. It looks so natural that nobody can say that this leopard is AI generated. The results of this tool are very surprising. Step 4. AI Avatar. Now I will show you how you can create your own talking AI avatar absolutely free. So let's learn this in this 4th step, for which we will click on the AI Avatar button. Here, we will first upload our character which we want to convert into AI avatar. After that, we will select an effect from the generation effect, either fast or master. Master mode generates ultra-realistic full-body moments and background animation, so I will select master effect. Next, we will go to the lip sync section, and here if you select text-to-speech, then you will write the script for your character in this box. And then by clicking here, you will choose any one of the numerous voices available here for your character. I select the voice of Sarah. And if you click on the Upload Audio button, then by clicking here you can upload your audio which you have already prepared for this character. Finally, click on Generate button to start the processing. Keep in mind that since this is a free tool, it may take us an hour or so to generate the AI avatar, so the best way is to generate 3 or 4 AI avatars together, so that when you come back to this website after an hour, all your avatars have been generated together. After waiting for an hour, here is my avatar.
If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification.
You can clearly see the high video quality and the impressive lip sync accuracy, and the best part is, there's no watermark visible anywhere in the video. You can try this tool and generate as many AI videos as you can for free before the free tool is converted to a paid tool. Because usually such best AI tools are converted to paid tools after some time, so take advantage of this tool as much as possible at this time.
If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.